Nothing beats a good meal shared with your family. The hack of removing the label. I'm going to soak it for some time. The aftermath of hosting. At least there were not many people. So this is what we have. Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another vlog. Lately I'm liking vlogs. Leave a comment down below with what you think about the vlogs, if we can do them more or we go back to one thing every time. Yeah, so I will appreciate your feedback. Yes, so let's just flow with the vlog. Time to make chapatis. Brown chapati recipe. For the chapatis, I start by adding the flour to the bowl so that I'm easily able to manage the consistency. Then I season a bit with vanilla essence, salt, cardamom, and sometimes sugar. Then I'm going to add the water gradually as I mix until I get the best consistency. For sure, I still use cold water even for brown chapatis, so let no one lie to you that you have to use hot water to make the best and the most amazing chapatis. My family enjoyed, so I am very sure they turned out amazing. The next thing, I had an errand in town which I quickly did, and I passed by KMC to get some meat, and to be honest, this time I realized they have some improvement on their quality, so I might actually be going back to shop from them. Yeah, so I'm just showing you what they have and their prices. Leave a comment down below if you're their customer. Finally back to the house, and this is what we served, and I must say the food did not disappoint. I had more guests than I expected. It's just crazy. Yeah, so the aftermath of hosting. At least there were not many people. So this is what we have. Just these plates actually. And JD, a few things. Of course, the glasses, the spoons. These containers I want to pack the leftovers. The pots are dirty here. The stew is finished, so clearly it was good. This is the remaining pilau, and I think there's some chapatis. Yeah, there's some chapatis. I think I can see we are sorted for breakfast. Yeah, so let's now get to the dishes. And I've just realized I've been looking for a jar I can be putting milk, and this is it. I'll clean this one and I will be putting my milk here. I think I prefer my milk in a glass container than a plastic one. And I'm going to show you the hack I learned from a friend of how to remove the labels with ease. Actually, I shared the other one. I can link it here. You can use different ways. You can use the one I used. I'll just link it here. It's just using a super bright and dishwashing liquid and scrub. You can also apply oil on this label, and then you leave it for a while, then just peel it off. Although this seems like it's going to be an easy one. I can see like it's easy to peel. I'll try it. I'll show you when I'm doing it. I'm done with the dishes and the kitchen space. Leave a comment down below with how you feel whenever you leave a kitchen clean the previous night. So we are now sharing the hack of removing the label. I was trying before posting. So we have water, some vinegar, and some bicarbonate soda as the mixture here. So we are going to work on this. So I'm going to soak it for some time, then we try and remove it and see if this hack works. So it's been a few minutes. I left this one here so that you can see. So we're going to try and remove it. Wow, you can see it's very easy to remove, unlike when we didn't have vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. So don't struggle with your labels. You can try this hack. Yeah, you see the way it's coming out really fast. Yes. And if you're still watching us, from wherever you're watching us, please give this video a like, comment, and share. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and join the family. We love visitors and we also value your feedback. So leave a comment down below. Actually, I'm trying this hack after a comment I saw on my video on TikTok. So you can be sure we appreciate, because now from a comment I have a video. Yeah, so let me just finish offline. I'll show you the final outcome. So here is the final outcome. Everything is out. I'm just going to use a super bright to remove the last parts, but everything is out. So the only struggle I have is to remove this one. If you know how to remove this, please let me know, because I want to reuse this bottle, maybe for milk or even cooking oil. Yeah, so at least one step down, and this hack actually works. Thank you, Shiko Makena. Actually, she's a YouTuber. You can check her out. I will leave the link to her channel down below. Yes, so this is the final look. I like that the work was easy, but I must show you the outcome. This is a whole mess which I will clean up, but at least the process was faster. Hey guys, so right now we're going to do some shopping haul. Gosh, I'm shopping every day and I'm wondering whether I'm the one who is shopping too many things or things have really shot up. How is your shopping experience? Let me show you what I got for almost 5,000. I feel like I've been robbed. I bought a Sprite at 190, breadcrumbs at 141, ice cream at 270, portable 6-pack Concha water at 168, some biscuits. I just felt like having some biscuits. Githeri for 205. I was just craving something different. But Naivas bread, eggs Atamak 1. Naivas bread is 56 and the Atamak 1 is 200. Then we have Harpic lavender. I don't know why I did not check, but I always like the blue one. Yeah, the green one doesn't give me the same outcome as the blue one, so this is my favorite. I have to keep it aside because it's soap. Then we have hand wash for 170. Then we have Star Soft. I've decided to try peach. I've never tried it. Then I saw this being advertised. This is Astonish stain remover. I want to see how it works. It says it works for colors and whites. This is the product I've never tried, so I want to try and see the outcome, and it goes for $8.95. Then we have this air freshener for $2.95. We have the bathing soap for $4.50. Ushindi bar soap. I realized as much as I use the machine, sometimes I need the hand wash. The Ushindi, it was reading 165, but now I paid 200. I don't know why, or I picked at the wrong place. Then we have Miadi hair food. I decided to be buying the small one because the big one is taking forever to finish. You know, you're not using it every day, and I don't know whether even it expires. Leave a comment down below if it actually expires. Then I got some additional serviettes. I like having one extra pack which is not open, and Hanan was the cheapest, so I have this one which is open, and now I have this which I will stock aside for next time. Yeah, so those are the things that I got. The total would have been 5,020, but I got a discount and I paid 4,037. No, 4,643. So I have 377 discount. It is coming from the Harpic, 151 saving. Then we have the lavender air freshener, 60 bob. Ushindi bar soap. Oh, it was discounted at 65. Yeah, so actually I got it at 165, not 200. It's only that they don't indicate the discounted rate, but it's fine. Yeah, and the Dettol Cool soap was 450, 100 shillings discount. And also Hanan serviettes are supposed to be 140, but I bought at 109. Yeah, so basically that's my shopping for the week. I feel like, honestly, by the time I was getting to the till, I was expecting like 3,000. It has almost gone to 5,000. Life in Kenya is crazy. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on our next one. Bye.